Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrencies in less than 2 minutes. And today we are answering the question, what is an exchange? Now, a cryptocurrency exchange is simply a place to trade one cryptocurrency for another. So I could go to an exchange and trade my Ethereum Classic for Bitcoin. And the exchange is simply the mechanism that facilitates the trading of cryptocurrencies between different parties. Now, that sounds simple enough, but there's really a variety of different types of exchanges. The first and oldest type of exchange is a centralized exchange. These are exchanges like Binance or MXC or Coinbase, right? They require you to deposit cryptocurrency from your wallet onto the exchange. And when you make a trade, you're really trading between different accounts on that cryptocurrency exchange, and you have to withdraw to your wallet when you are done. Now, although they do have good name recognition, there can also be deposit and withdrawal fees, and they require you to submit identity documents. A decentralized exchange allows you to trade via smart contracts. So you actually make the trade directly from your wallet. You don't usually have to do the KYC verification. And examples of this would be Uniswap or the 1inch exchange. And so far, you can trade crypto for crypto, but what if you don't have crypto in the first place? Well, to get crypto, you need to use a type of exchange that has an on-ramp. Now, an on-ramp isn't a separate kind of exchange, rather it's a feature of certain exchanges. So, an on-ramp simply means that you can use fiat to buy cryptocurrency. And then once you get your first crypto, you can trade it for other cryptos through either a centralized or a decentralized exchange. Now, whereas an on-ramp simply allows you to sell fiat and purchase cryptocurrency, the concept of an off-ramp is a little bit more broad. An off-ramp can obviously be an exchange that allows you to sell cryptocurrency for fiat, but it can also be a store or a website that allows you to spend cryptocurrency in return for those goods and services that you need. So essentially an on-ramp is getting into crypto and an off-ramp is getting out of crypto. So in summary, there are a variety of different exchanges, but the underlying theme is that they allow you to trade one cryptocurrency for another. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.